Member of the All India Congress Committee in charge of Meghalaya, Manish Chatrath, on Friday had spoken to the media on the status of the Congress party in Meghalaya. While addressing a press conference, Manish Chatrath informed that the Congress party will fight for all the 60 seats and will ensure that the party wins a majority of the seats in the forthcoming General Assembly elections in the state. While speaking about the party having no MLA in the state, Manish Chatrath cited the fact that in other states of the country there have been instances of candidates with no political background who have won elections and formed the government, and therefore the party is hopeful that the Congress party will perform well since people of Meghalaya desire change in the state's political scenario.
But now we are organizing ourselves. We have good people, we have good faces, we have good talent, and we have a good solid organization as compared to any other party in the state. So we don't need to worry, they need to worry. I can give you an example right now here. There were people with no political background, no seat, nothing, and they formed the governments. You must have seen in different states. But we are one of the oldest party. We have our organization intact. We have our vote base also, and I know that end of the day, the people of this beautiful state are looking for a change and they love Congress.
Speaking on whether the presence of the All India Trinamool Congress in the state will do more harm than good, the president of the MPCC, Vincent H. Pala, said that it is left to the general public to decide which party is and will be working towards the betterment of the people.
I think AITC as a party, people, the voters of this state knows which party is for the betterment of their future, especially in the high rise in terms of unemployment is very high. And people knows which is party is good. So we respect any party, we respect anybody who come and contest. And I personally feel that AITC will have their own role, will have our own role. So which party will be affected, I think it's only after we cross the bridge we will know.
Sir, it's true whatever you said.
With you, because in between so many, like our spokesperson Kongam Preen and many other left us. So there's a gap when they left us and when we rebuild our party. So we reorganizing ourselves. I do agree with you, in between there was a little bit of less pressure. I mean, rather the publicity is slightly less. The MDCs was giving a statement on borders. The MDC is giving a statement on different issues, corruptions and all. But now on, we will not be lacking on that issues. Will be very strong.